channel. I'm Samantha, and look what I got in the mail. It's my base box, and it is volume 38. Focus. And I did vote my base, but we got some products we can play with. So the first one is Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face palette for $32. Nesting Bitch Face palette offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and a creamy glowing highlighters. These must-have buildable shades deliver great color payoff and blend out like a dream. They're developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfect for contouring your face. So I contoured. Why is my lighting like red? Oh, it's so weird. I did just a contour, but we're gonna bronze. And this is what the palette looks like. So what you got are 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and then up here are 2 highlights. I'm gonna go in with this, and then as a bronzer, and then we'll see. Ooh, that blush is kind of shimmery though, but I like it. All right. There was one product in this box I was really excited about, which we'll get to. But I got this rather quickly. I was not expecting it this quick. These are, holy shit, they're pigmented. Where is my thing? Okay. Yep, they're pretty pigmented. Even this light shade here. And you really don't blend it. Oh shit. Can you see? That is pigmented. Let's see how we can work this. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. That's what I like to do. Okay. We'll leave that sit there for a minute. Okay, next we're going to try out the blush. I think I'm going to go up here to this top one. Did y'all like my intro? My kids made me a picture. I told them I'd use it. They worked hard on it. Okay. What about these highlighters though? Let's swatch some. Ooh, okay. Do you see? I might have to mix them because that one might be too light. We'll see. Let's see. This was a good box. Ooh, wait a minute, is it? I don't know. What'd you guys get in your box? Let me know in the comments. I had to really buff it in just because, I don't know. Seems to give you that more glass skin effect if you do that. Which I like, the kind of wet look. What do we think? It's a little light for me. What if I added some of the bronzier? Would that help it any? guys think? Think it helped it in here? I don't know. I mean, they're pretty. They're really, really pretty. They're just, hold on. I'll swatch them for you guys. I don't know if this is going to come out. Alright, so here's the blushes. Hold on. There we go. Can you see that? That's the blushes. Hush Blush. Is it Hush Blush? Yeah. And Mirror Mirror. That's the shimmery one. Next, we'll do the two highlighters. And then the bronzers. So I'm surprised that worked for me, the lighter one. They usually don't. Okay. So there's the highlighters. Glimmers of BS. Is that BS? My lighting is terrible. Yeah, Glimmers of BS, and then the top one's Ego. And then Son of AB, which you can't really see, can ya? Let me get darker. Because it's my skin down. I wonder if that helps. Yeah, a little bit. It's a little bit of a cool tone. Son of AB, and then Sun-Kissed Snitch. $32. It's pretty. It gets the job done. Let's go in and see if I can use it on my eyes. Again, I apologize for the lighting here, guys. I didn't know. It's so dreary out. And I don't... My room is where I usually film is under construction. Okay. And then we're going to go in. I'm going to go in with this bronzy one. Put it on my lid. And see how that goes. It's pretty. I don't know if it's doing it for me though. Can you guys see it? It's really shimmery. Okay, let's take this off real quick. Dusty, but it's pretty. All right, what's next? Tarte, which I have on my lips right now. Or no, I don't. I lied. It's not Tarte. Oh. The Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. $23, and it's a canned one. And y'all know I'm used to my Fix Plus. I love my Fix Plus. But I'll give this one a go. I got it out and sprayed it a little bit when I first got my box just to get the scent. It's not horrible, it's a light scent. But which isn't bad. what I want to do in my next upcoming videos, I want to start using products I already have. Like I have this, speaking of Tarte, I have this Rainforest of the Sea. And I haven't used much of it. I want to use it in the next upcoming video. Just to use it and get it out the way. But the face mist. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine vegan superfruit setting mist. That effort I need some coffee. Effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. $23. Let's see. Ooh, this is a nice mist. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. Oh my goodness. I like it. Let's do it again. I just have a really light, I would say floral scent, but it's nice. It's not heavy. It doesn't spray the crap out of your face. My skin looks good. Nice. Next is a Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. This multitasking cleansing exfoliant. Oh, my hair is crazy. Is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. $40. Well, I tried it this morning, and it does have a physical exfoliant, but it's not harsh at all. It doesn't get sudsy, which I don't mind in a cleanser. And my skin didn't feel dried out. And for those of you who don't know, I have extremely dry skin, and it didn't dry me out. So I'll try it again. Next, oh, this is it. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of, I'm going to butcher this, forgive me. I'm not even going to. Butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with scrumptious aroma of dolce de latte. Ooh. And I got, okay, I have the shade Keep It Rio. I have it on now. It's nude, sheer nude. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a sheer nude. You can't really see anything. But it feels nice. My lips feel moisturized. I like it a lot. $20. And it smells like Sol de Janeiro. Oh, I can't talk today. Okay, next. Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. The Draw It Up lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. $16. Let's see. Two. This is what it looks like. Pretty packaging. Ooh, that's a pretty one. They're creamy. Really creamy. Do they give me colors? colors. If you guys know names for these colors, drop them in the comment box. What are you doing, Danny? Yep. I have this Christmas cookie. I want to use up. Come here, Dane.
What?
Come here.
What? What?
And that's it. That comes to a total of $131. I'm going to do my outro and say bye. You want to help me?
What?
No. Come say hi. Subscribe, like, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.